welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Today's episode we'll be mixing purple slime versus orange slime. Yappy? Okay, so let's start. First I'm gonna unbox this purple slime, which is so amazing. We mixed blue and pink slime, so we got this purple color. Okay, amazing, and orange slime. Okay, almost there. Oops, yeah. Orange. So we have purple and orange. Okay, then check this. Great. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stretch and keep them like this. Same with the orange. Okay, let's do that. I don't know which color will we get, but I'm sure we'll get a nice color. Wow, that looks amazing, guys. Wow. Woo! We got it. Okay, so it's a lava color. I think we'll get a russet color, which is a shade of a brown. Again, let's mix it. Great. Okay, there you go. Alright. So amazing slime. And quickly, well, we got a big slime out of it. I think we got a brown slime. Almost there. Yeah, it looks brownish. So sprayed it in the end like this. Then we're gonna be mixing them nicely. Oh, we finally got the bruised brownish color, which is amazing. Okay, so I think it's looking yucky color. So I think we should add some color to it. So yeah, let's look which color will we add. So first I'm gonna spread it up. So I'm gonna mix turquoise. So I think we shall mix turquoise, which will look amazing. Yeah, so we're almost there to make a color like, oh my gosh, that's a brown color. Okay, so yeah, now I'm gonna mix some color to it, a turquoise color or a poppy red or anything, guys. So if you add white, it becomes light brown, or if any color you like you can add, but I'm gonna add some turquoise. So here we go. So here we have sparkling pearl turquoise. It's a pearl color. Okay, first we're gonna spread it up like this. Okay, so let's add it like this. Almost there. Oh my gosh. Some more. A bit. Where's the paint? Okay, almost there. Okay, that's it. Okay, so yeah, now let's mix it up. Up, down, up, down. So that's becoming soft, down, soft. Oh my gosh. Painting. We have lots of paint with that. I don't think we'll get a good color, but let's try. In the bowl. It's a bit brownish, but that one looks good. I think we should add some more color to it to get a nice blue turquoise. Okay, a bit more, and that's it. I'm almost done with my turquoise color. So I'll try adding dark blue to it. So it's a bit hard to do so. So let's try. Oh my gosh, that's whoa. I think we should to try in a bowl. It's melting and I don't know what's happening, but right. It became sticky like this. It looks great and dark blue. We're fixing it. Fixing. Okay, almost there. So we got, finally it became blue. I don't know how, but it became blue. So I added some pearl color to it. So pearl colors are amazing, just amazing. So lots of paint is here. So try mixing it up. So here is my turquoise slime. So we had a brown slime before, a rosette color. Now we have a turquoise color. So my next video I'm gonna mix turquoise with I don't know which color. You'll get to know it soon, as I'm gonna write it in the decision box, so you'll know what I'm gonna do next. So yeah, so now bye guys from my side. So bye from my side. So we'll meet in our next video. So as you can see, our slime is ready. Oh my gosh. Bye guys. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like this video, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to be the first one to watch this video like